What's going on, guys? Levy Boys back with another video. And today we're doing a little ride behind the levee. You know, the levee boys. So a little rundown all of this bike of right now. This morning, well, my rear diff bearings was messed up, so I put in a new diff in this morning. It's pretty solid. Pretty solid. Just testing her out. Might be selling this bike. Who knows? My truck just blew up, so that's the reason why I might be selling this bike. It's pretty good bike, but it needs a top end, and I got the top end. Just waiting on to put it on. Hope you guys like this video, so let's get right into it. It rained last night, and water filled in the hole pretty good bit back here, and plus the water's coming up a little bit, and I got something in my eye, bro. Water's coming back up, but not much, and then it's going back down. About to hit one of these holes right here. Pretty sure I'm the only person that ever hit this shit. I probably dug it out, so hopefully I don't get stuck, cause this that soft shit. Oh yeah, like butter. I hope y'all guys enjoyed the last video. I went to Zona with my cousin. I really want to go back again whenever I get another truck, or if I get a new motor in this other truck. Where I really want to go is to tire tracks. That's where I really want to go. It's pretty shallow. I think they got a hole somewhere right here. I don't want to hit it because this shit underwater. See the water too. Oh yeah, we good. The water clear as a motherfucker. What I'm gonna do is go down the trail. There's a little playpen area, we'll call it that, but there's a little playpen area where there's a bunch of holes, and there's a bounty hole. But then if you keep going, there's a big ass ditch, not a little ditch, big ass ditch, and I can't cross it right now because it's full of water, because the levee's coming up, I mean the water coming up. So I'm gonna just avoid everything. Like head to the next. I know there's another ditch where you gotta cross too, but I can't hit that because if this is filled up, I know that one's filled up. First gear in this motherfucker. This ain't too bad. I gotta get on the levee. Oh, there's Birdman. There's Birdman. There is Birdman. Who the fuck? Oh, who's that?
Huh? I don't fucking know.
This is the dude that was in the last video.
Huh?
Say this is the dude that was in the last video.
The dude? What?
You.
Huh?
This the last dude that was in the video. Oh. You.
I was on the 300.
Yep. I don't know what that guy doing.
Yeah, he better not come back here.
Fuck no.
Not in that.
That ditch is full.
Like all the way to the top?
Oh, yeah.
What about over there? Is it full of water? Can you ride to it?
Yeah, I just rode through it. And they got water. Came up to right here. That ain't bad.
Shit, let's go do it.
So, yeah, I'm gonna go around all this shit.
Go around? Yeah, I don't feel like going through all this shit.
Boy. Oh, fuck. This stick stabbed my ass in the back. What?
It is up.
Yeah.
Is it supposed to keep coming up?
Yeah, a couple more feet. Then it's going back down.
It's gonna be underwater.
Yeah. Damn, I ain't even see that shit. Shit, we about to hit this motherfucker. This shit got, I ain't lying, this shit got a little deep. I ain't lying. See, like, look how deep this motherfucker got. Try to wheel it, you know. Woo! Did it. Shit, I'm surprised. This motherfucker's smoking like a bitch. Holy shit. Holy shit, bud. See, Birdman hit this bitch. Just squat. Oh, hey, wheels came off a little bit.
It just bogs down, bro. Either bogs down or squats.
Yeah. I'll be damned. So we got Thomas right here. Jerry's on the back. Jesus Christ. Probably he's taking us to a little hole. Which I don't know if I'm gonna hit yet. Oh, that boy ripping, boy. Oh, fucking mud in the fucking. Jesus Christ. Oh, fucking mud everywhere. Fucking slaying them bitch. Shit terrible. Oh, fuck. Oh, yeah. Fucking ripping this bitch. Wherever you came. Whew. God damn. Where's this hole at, son? Straight gone into it. Damn. Sound like a log right there. Yeah. Oh, that's deep.
Yeah, that's pretty fucking deep. That's deep, bro. That's deep,
That's
bro.
deep.
I'm surprised you're doing that on that belt drive. Really?
That shit dirty, son. Alright guys, we're doing a little top end rebuild. Got the new cylinder and piston in. Oh fuck that nigga. This is his bike.
Boy.
That stupid ass smoker he put on. I mean, that's smoke. That's the reason why we fucking
Jump, man.
jump. Look at this shit. Oh, that ain't good.
No.
Nah. The fucking walls, I mean, they ain't too bad, but like a little bad. I mean, look at that shit.
Where's your gas?
Whew, that ain't good. But yeah. Going to put the bolts in. Already put them in. Gonna slap that
Little head gasket.
gasket on. Then we got this we're gonna put back on, the valves. What you gotta say about that, bro?
Fuck, don't snorkel your shit.
He's talking right.
Yeah. I'm gonna put that bitch in.
Yeah, I'm like this.
Got the gasket in. And all kind of shit up in there.
I'm gonna tighten these right.
Yeah, real shit.
Since they this your head gasket. Oh, you mother.
Find out. No, never mind.
Torque wrench?
I got a torque spec.
I got a torque wrench. That's smart.
Fucking
But
110.
110.
Fucking fuck the bolts all up. Fucking
Yeah, real shit. You're gonna set the torque wrench wrong. Fucking strip the fuck out all them. We
Don't drop that shit. I'm scared to see what the white bike is saying.
Hopefully you're getting tight, man.
That's cool.
They'll all keep loosening.
we'll get back whenever we try to start this motherfucker up.
Get back.
See y'all later.
Your vote.
Alright.
I think it'll be alright.
Got everything back together. Moment of truth.
Fresh top end. No oil.
Hey.
No lubrication on the cylinder, so.
There you go. No smoke. Yeah. Done deal right there, bro.
Alright. Alright, look.
Kill it.
There you go.
Oh. Hear that one way, babe? Oh, that's a good sign.
Oh yeah, boy. Well, God, that'll be it for this video. We at the end of the trail, basically. So I'm gonna just end it off here. A little short video, but hope you guys like this video. Leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. Get me to 300 subscribers or more. Peace out.